Hey, Dr. Lindsey, in this short video, I take you through a 40-ish-year-old fellow who had really I won't say life-changing, but a big change from his hair transplant. And so I think he's 40-ish-year-old guy who, when I first met him, he and his wife, it had been after COVID. They think they really hadn't taken care of themselves health-wise, and both of them had gotten what I would call doughy. He had gotten a few extra pounds in his midsection, and neither one of them had seen a gym for a while. He was probably class 5 plus balding. So here he is. We came up with this plan, and we did his first case, and then a year later we did a little bit more hair behind and added a few hairs to the hairline. And then I didn't really hear from him. And then he sent me a few pictures that I'm allowed to use on the internet. And if you look, he's gone from class 5 hair loss, maybe class 6, to having a nice framed face and pretty good coverage over the top of his head. And his wife has gotten in shape, and they just look like a completely different couple. And a hair transplant doesn't do all of that. However, I've seen this for 30 years and 23 days now, that for some people, that once they start growing hair, or once they get their facelift and start feeling a little bit better about themselves, they really start going to the gym and really just turn their life around as far as staying healthy and being in shape. And this guy's a great example of it. If we can help you, give us a call. Thank you.